What's like a good eyelash pun? "15 minutes later, it's just me doing this still. And welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for stopping back by. I really appreciate it. And if it's your first time here, well, I am so excited to see your pretty face. So I am new to YouTube, so I am going to keep introducing myself for a little bit longer. My name is Mindy S. I am a stand-up comedian as well as a Poshmark reseller, and this channel is all about being a sexy babe on a budget. And today, my friends, is no different, because what we are doing today is reviewing a product recently purchased on Amazon, 2-day shipping. Thank you, Prime. And it is magnetic eyeliner and eyelashes, I think. I don't totally know what we're reviewing. Basically, I took a Facebook suggestion of what I should review on this channel, and somebody said magnetic liner and lashes, and I said, okay. And I picked one off of Amazon, and here we go. So let's dive into it. So I opened this up just so I didn't have to struggle on camera, but I didn't actually like open the actual packaging. Okay, so this is what we are reviewing today. It is called Luxillia, Luxillia. I hope Luxillia is as luxurious as it sounds, am I right? It says magnetic eyelashes and eyeliner kit. 5 pairs lashes, 1 magnetic eyeliner, and tweezers, handmade with love. Oh, that's sweet. Okay, and then here's what the back says. How to use. Follow step-by-step instructions carefully given inside the box. We highly recommend you to watch the video tutorials provided. Well, that's the first I'm hearing about all that, so obviously we didn't watch any YouTube tutorials. We're just gonna roll with it and hope that it works out. Okay. To remove the eyeliner, use makeup remover or coconut oil. I actually do have wipies here. They are Wet n Wild Hit to Showers. I actually really recommend these. I bought them at Rite Aid, so check to that. And then all underneath it says, you are so special to us. You don't know me. You don't know me. But I appreciate that. Okay. It says if your face issues related to the product or anything else, they forgot a word. They mean if you have face issues or anything else, please reach out to me directly. It's one person running this business at offers@arvesabeauty.com, and we promise, okay, obviously somebody that doesn't speak perfect English wrote this, to resolve it within 24 hours guaranteed. Owner Luxillia. Okay, so these were $19.99 on Amazon. I got free shipping because, like I said, I have Prime. Shout out to Prime, obviously not sponsored because none of y'all know who I am yet, and that is fine with me. Okay, so let's open this baby up. All right, Luxillia lashes, impress me. Okay, so right now, let's just go over the face. Let's go over what's working out and what's not working. Damn, I ate a sandwich and forgot to put lip gloss back on. Story of my life, y'all. Story of my life. So I have foundation on and I have like some makeup on, but I don't have anything on my eyelids at all. I put bottom mascara on, but I didn't put top mascara on because I don't know if they're going to tell me if I can wear makeup or not, because obviously I didn't watch the YouTube tutorials. Okay, so let's open this baby. Impress me, Luxillia. I could use a little sparkle in the day. Okay. First impressions. You guys can see along with me. Oh. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You got your tweezers with the Luxillia branding. Ooh, fancy. You've got 5 sets of eyelashes, which look like they are actually all different sizes. These are really pretty, you guys. And this is bougie on a budget because lashes are expensive. So if you could just wear these over and over again with the magnetic eyeliner, like that would be perfect. And then here it is, Luxillia magnetic eyeliner. So here's our little kit. And then what else fell out? Free set coupon. Congrats. If you have received this coupon, then you are one of our first 500 customers on Amazon. Bullshit! Bullshit! Because you had over 1,500 reviews. You have won a 100% off Amazon discount coupon to get another set of Luxillia magnetic eyeliner and lashes completely free on Amazon. That's cool. I don't believe you, but that's cool. To claim your free set, email us within 6 days of purchase with your order ID at blah, 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 or visit this link, blah, 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 and ask for your coupon. You just want my email, okay? I know you. I know your game. You ain't getting my email. But I appreciate the offer. Okay, and then here's this little card. Luxillia Makeup and Cosmetics. Okay, again, it says we highly recommend watching the video tutorials, but by following the easy steps given on the last page to make them look amazing on you. Capitalized amazing. Okay, but if not, they give you this 3-step instruction manual. We're doing the short version. This is the version we're doing right here. Okay, so step 1. And if you guys can see my setup right now, like if you're like, what is she looking at? Like my setup is literally, do you remember in Cat in the Hat when he's like balancing all the stuff on like one hand, and he's got like a plate and saucer and all that? Like that's literally, I can't find my tripod. So there's like a table, no exaggeration. There's a table, my laptop, a box for sharper image, hot gel therapy wraps because it was square, a picture frame, a caboodle, my iPad mini, a makeup palette with a mirror, a cup behind it, and then my phone. So if you don't have a tripod, just follow those simple steps. So anyway, if I keep looking like this, that's because my mirror is behind you guys. All right, so step 1. Apply 2 coats of your Luxillia magnetic eyeliner. You can apply a single thick coat too. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't give me conflicting instructions because I need to, I'm type A, okay? I need you to tell me, is it 2 coats or 1? 2 coats or 1? Along your lashes and let it completely dry. It will take 1 minute or 2. 1 minute or 2? 1 or 2 coats? All right. We're gonna roll the dice. We're gonna say 1 single coat, because I probably have a heavy hand, 2 minutes to dry. Done. Okay, then step 2 says gently remove your Luxillia magnetic lashes from the pack and then place them as close to your lash bed as possible. Watch them immediately lock into place. And then step 3 says you can adjust your lashes as needed to get the correct placement. We highly recommend getting them as close to your lash line as possible so they blend seamlessly into your natural lashes. So what it doesn't say is anything about wearing makeup. But you know what I bet did say about wearing eye makeup was the tutorial we didn't watch. But regardless, I'm gonna pause this video, put a little eyeliner on or eyeshadow on, start it back up because I feel like they have to let you wear eyeshadow or else no one would do this. Okay, so hold that thought. Guess who's back? Back again. It's me. Okay, so I put some, obviously it's me. It's me! So I put some eyeshadow on. Not the best eyeshadow job I've ever done in my life, but it is what it is. I also put on a little lip gloss. Full disclosure, this is from that Dollar Tree, full face of Dollar Tree makeup video that I just did recently, which I will link down below. Some of it was great. I love this lip gloss. Some of it made me break out real hard. I feel like I'm still breaking out from it. Nah, who we kidding? That's probably just stress. Little stress, little Dollar Tree. That's how I like to set my face in the morning. Okay, so let's get into it, y'all. So all it says to do is we are going to apply 1 or 2 coats of this eyeliner and let it completely dry. So let's do that. Here's the eyeliner. This is terrifying to do on camera because you only get a first impression once. So let me not jack this up. Watch my hands shake. I'm so nervous. Okay, I gotta look at the camera behind me. Ah, that felt like a thick line. Ooh, it's a little like, I don't know if minty is the word. We are going with two coats because that was getting a little dry. It's very like chemically. I mean, not surprisingly, but super smells like a like paint almost. Like spray paint. Please don't cause blindness. I hope the video didn't say that. All right, there's our first line. Okay, that wasn't terrible. All right, now let's put our other line on. If you guys have an idea, I probably shouldn't talk during this, but if you guys have an idea of something you want me to review next that is inexpensive and would make us look like babes on budgets, please leave that in the comment below, and also leave down below what you end up thinking about this product here. If it's a winner, if it's a loser, if I go blind. You guys saw it here first. Oh, I got a little thick. She's thick. That was like 3 coats, but okay. All right, now, I don't know how thick to put this on. Now we just wait 1 or 2 minutes and let it dry, and then we try our eyelashes. So I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay, let's pick out our lashes. So the next step, again, just says gently remove your Luxillia magnetic lashes from the package and place them as close to your lash bed as possible. Watch them immediately lock into place. Okay, let's do that. So here's all the different lashes. These are like the most intense ones, and I'm going to the thrift store, so you know I gotta look just bomb.com. So let's go with the most ridiculous lashes in the pack, because why wouldn't we? Oh, these are actually, I thought this was gonna be plastic, but it's actually metal. Points for that little thing there. Okay, so we gently remove our lashes, and then I guess we do it with this thing. Okay, so here's the lashes. So this would be my, I don't know if it matters, but that would be my right eye. Let's put this baby on. And y'all, I'm not a pro at putting lashes on, like no matter what kind of lashes they are, so this is what it is. Okay, let's see. I guess the good news is you can always move them. Okay. Oh my God. Wait a minute. They're actually like super duper magnetic. Like they are like, holy cow. They're actually like, I mean, I'm pretty far away from this mirror, and I've definitely put too much of this eyeliner on, but like, they're kind of amazing. Like, look at that. Can y'all see that? Look how much better that looks than my regular eyelashes. Love. Okay, let's see how hard they are to pull off. Watch me not be able to get it back in the right place. Ow. Okay, not hard to take off, but hard enough that it seems like it would stay. And now let's pop that baby back on. Okay, that time didn't go in the right place all the way. You in the wrong place, girl. As close to your lashes as possible. Oh yeah, that's what we do with this thing. We squeeze. That's right. No! Wouldn't it be stupid if they made this magnetic too? That's what I thought was happening. I was like, wait a minute. You're just like fighting it. Okay, this one's too far over now. This mirror's just really hard to see in. Well, the first try was the best try. Oh, there we go. She good. I mean, that little spot's not perfect, but. Okay, so what we should have done was put mascara on my real eyelashes first, because now I know that you actually could if it was like dry all the way, because they look weird underneath. So if I was really gonna wear these, I mean, I am really gonna wear them, but I don't care enough to fix it. I would probably put mascara on first, like coat my bottom or my top lashes and then put these on. Okay, let's do our other eyelash. Oh, and look at y'all. Look at the back. It has these little, what am I doing here? Where's the camera? What am I doing? Can you see that? See those little tiny magnets? Oh, it makes me want to see what else I can draw that stuff on for. Don't experiment, Mindy. Just do the eyelashes. Okay, so that's what they look like. And then let's go. close to the lash line as possible. See, who needs an instructional video? This is easy. It's literally like stick one magnet to the other magnet. Okay, that eyelash looks even better. Oh, that hurts a little right there. It's a little close. It's a little close, girl. You're pokey. You're a little pokey. There. Oh my God! Look. Look, you guys, it worked. Am I beautiful yet? Well, maybe not, but my eyelashes sure are. I feel like I'm like red carpet ready for the thrift store, you guys. I'm gonna crush this Goodwill. All right, y'all, so that's our video. I'm gonna say that these are a definite win. For $19.99, you get 5 pairs of lashes, you get the little metal thingy to put them on with, you get the magnetic eyeliner. I got free shipping. It only took 2 days to get here, and they work like really well. I mean, I'll do the little wear test all day and I'll check back in if anything, you know, goes wonky. But as of right now, I'm pretty stoked. I mean, they were actually so much easier than putting on regular lashes with like the glue and stuff. Like, these are a definite 2 enthusiastic thumbs up. Fine holiday fun. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Are you gonna grab some lashes? I'll put the link down in the comments or in the description below to where you can buy these lashes. I can't recommend all the different kinds they had. I can only recommend these ones because I tried these ones. But these were also Amazon's choice, and I believed Amazon, and they were right, y'all. They were right. All right, you guys, so that's our video. So if you liked this video and you liked me, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing. And if you want to be notified every time a new video is posted, hit that little bell notification. And besides that, I hope you guys have a super amazing day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Don't lick these eyelashes off, girl. Don't know what happens when they get wet. We didn't watch the video.